Keep going. God will come through for you. Yes, I know you've heard so many times. Yes, He's gonna come through for you. Come with me to Hebrew chapter 4, and I'm gonna read verses 15 and 16. Just keep going and show up, okay? For we have not an high priest which cannot be touched with the feeling of our infirmities, but was in all points tempted like as we are, yet without sin. For come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in time of need. You are not alone in this. Stop carrying the load all by yourself. Tears, yes, God understands, but He also wants you to talk to Him about your infirmities. Have a wonderful rest of the day now. Bye-bye.